Are you cuddling my little... Cuddle. Cuddle. 1, 2, 3. Snuggle. 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 Oh.
Destin.
We need to do this more. She's got a boyfriend.
She's cuddling. Is that your boyfriend? Yeah?
Oh my gosh. I've not seen her, like, since she's become aware of her surroundings. Like, last time we met, she was just starting to. But now she, like, fully interacts with her environment. And I've never seen her before. I know who you like. You like him.
You like him?
Let's snuggling. 1, 2, 3.
No. She's happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hey.
You have, I'm sorry, but she's going to chase you now, honey. You got a girlfriend for life. She's going to start chasing you around. You might have to